We're going to be looking at different angles where we're going to see vertical, complementary, or supplementary angles. So in our first example, we see a right angle and it's split up into two adjacent angles. So if we see a right angle, we know that this 62 and the angle A are called complementary, or they add up to 90 degrees. So I'm not going to set it up as an equation. I'm going to think about the fact that the whole thing is 90, and I'm going to subtract the 62 to figure out how big A is. So if I subtract those two numbers, I get 28. In Delta Math, there'll be a spot to enter angle A, and you'll write 28. In our second example, we don't have a right angle, we have a straight line, which is called a straight angle. So this adds up to 180 degrees. So angle A and angle 21 add up to 180. That's called supplementary. When it's on a straight line like this, it's also known as a linear pair. So to see what's left for A, I do 180 minus 21. Sorry about that. 180 minus 21. And that leaves me with 159 degrees left. So that's my second answer. In the last two problems for this video, we have intersecting lines which form some vertical angles and also some linear pairs or angles that add up to 180. So first off, we look for vertical angles because that's the easiest. So the width 50 and angle B are vertical, which means they're equal to each other. And you can see that in the picture as well. So I know angle B is 50. From there, to find angle C, I can really use either of the straight lines. I'm going to use this one. So 50 and angle C form a linear pair, or they add up to 180. So to find angle C, I'm going to do 180 minus 50 gives me 130. So that is angle C. So in Delta Math, you'll have two different spots to enter these two angles. We're going to do another one, basically the same picture with the intersecting lines, but we're going to have a little different order that we find things. So here we have these two intersecting lines. We see that of the angles we're working with, B and C are the ones that are vertical. So those are equal, but I don't have either of them yet. So I'm going to have to move over to one of the straight lines. I'm going to use this one with the B and the 134 together on it. We know that that adds up to 180. So to find angle B, I'm going to do 180 minus 134. And that gives me the angle B equals 46 degrees. So now that I know that B is 46, I know C will be equal because C is vertical with B. So angle C would also be 46 degrees.